Here we have an example of the twin system, which is run from a 12-volt power supply, again delivering 12 amps, going through a pulse width modulator, an ammeter, which is mounted on the underside of the lid of the housing enclosure. This supplies power to our two cells here connected in series. Liquid from the base of the recycling container is collected and pumped into the base of the two dry cells. The pump is rated at 30,000 hours continual use between minus 35 degrees Celsius and 105 degrees Celsius. Bubbles and gas are then collected from the top of the dry cells and recycled back into the middle of the recycling container, as we can see here. Gas from the recycling container is then piped off into the engine through this white pipe, as we can see. The whole enclosure, as we can see, is easily mounted into the back of a station wagon, ute or sedan.